In this section, we're going to discuss some methods you can use in dealing with tough customers. I'm Pam Unruh on behalf of Expert Village. A very important thing to remember when you're dealing with a tough customer, and this is a very difficult thing to do, stay calm. A customer comes at you with a very upset, loud tone. Don't match the customer's tone. If the customer is yelling at you, maintain a regular tone of professionalism, just general conversation, much like I'm doing right now. In my experience, people will bring their tone down to match the other person's tone, rather than try and escalate it. If you stay calm, you can help that customer stay calm. The worst thing that you can do is to become angry right along with them. Then, this doesn't become just an issue about what the customer wants you to solve or a question that the customer has. Then it becomes a very personal argument, and that crosses a completely different line. So you have to stay calm, stay professional. Most times, just by doing that and using the proper professional tone, you can diffuse a situation and you will calm the customer down.